the Museum of Illusions. I'm sorry guys, you're gonna have to hear me talk over this video because apparently I cannot have any type of music or else they're gonna shut us down. But the Museum of Illusions was so much fun. Here's my husband being a goofball, and also here's my dorky ass. I did not know that that pin art billboard is used to flatten out the thing. But can you tell what is it that I use to back up? Yep. And then I was super embarrassed because people saw me do it. I swear, my husband can't take me anywhere. But here's him experimenting with the camera. And we try to take a cool like video effect here, but it was not giving. So that's all you get. And then look how cool. This is a triangle from one side. Voila! There's squares from the other. And then this thing is just so trippy. I did not understand this, but apparently my husband says that it looked like a chair, and then I got it, and close up does not look like a chair. Spooky. And then this room just gave me a headache because there's mirrors everywhere. How do people like this? I don't know. But super cool. You know, oh, what a kiss. Just kidding. And then this room, the lights change and then just different images appear, which is super cool. Oh, and here, enjoy this.
Wait, stop! What the fuck is this spinning? Oh my god! Is this spinning? Oh my god!
Yeah, that was so scary. Just, you know. But anywho, this is how we ended Valentine's Day. Tacos, they were so good. My husband got the camarón. I got the asada en picanha. And then, do you guys like the shirt I got him?
Happy Valentine's Day!